The Order of Arts. And finally, the Present Arts. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, the company commander will now give his final command, and watch before your very eyes as this assemblage of midshipmen execute what their mentors have imparted them. An art of synchronized rifle drills passed from generation to generation, only by words of mouth. This is the beginning. Nothing in this world is constant. This has been true since the very first day that the individual decides to be a part of the PMMA Corps of Midshipmen. Changing colors represents the continuous transformation of a midshipman as time goes by. Each member of the Corps was a civilian who ordered their carefree life and lavish style of living with their genetic life of a midshipman and transformed themselves to men armed with the power of determination, patience, the formation cross, where the man who paid our sins was crucified for our salvation, Jesus our God. We bow our heads to show our faith, respect, and reverence while we go through our days as merchant marine officers and Christians for His glory. We ask His intercession to bless us and make this day and the days to come be fruitful and successful. May the good Lord bless us always. Our alma mater's four letters: P, M, M, A. The Philippine Merchant Marine Academy is the only purpose it will serve as our constant line of steering the path against the high seas. From an innocent boy to a man of power, and from an ordinary civilian to a PMA Egyptian. From these portals rose the people who were never connected, weak instruments and mere workers, but stepped forward to become more than healers and professionals. Perhaps healers are born, but PMA also proves that healers to be made. These are the people who have the guts, the heart, and the brain. We are very proud of PMA because we would like to show our most profound gratitude to our alma mater. Brace yourself, ladies and gentlemen, to hear it with the cry of Appeal the Crown, the plea. Distinguished my dear brothers